Today we're discussing the practical ways Romans used urine and feces for their daily life. First, when left too long, urine decomposes into ammonia, which is a great cleaning object that takes out stains easily. Roman authors like Catullus attest to the people using both human and animal urine as a mouth rinse that help whiten their teeth. Secondly, urine also contains nitrogen, which is useful for growing plants. Roman author like Colomera wrote that old human urine, which is particularly useful for growing fruit and making them juicier and tastier. Thirdly, the ammonia in urine was also used to clean tow gas in a place like Fulire. The first stage of cleaning involves men jumping up and down to the toad guy in a large vat with urine inside. Fourth, from the Roman author Columella again comes some suggestion for using human urine, this time for veterinary purposes. Sheep like bile issues were given human urine to drink, while those with lung issues were given urine through the nose. Sick bees could also be given human urine, and bird flu was cured by putting urine in their break. Fifthly, the Roman frequently employed urine, dog feces, and sometimes human feces in tanning, not for sunning them outside but for making leather. A good long soak in urine could remove hair from the pelt, and then feces were ground into, sometimes for hours at a time. The enzymes made by the bacteria in the feces soften the hide, making it more supple. 6. In night soil, fertilizer made from human feces can help grow plants easily, but it can also help spread diseases. The Romans used human feces and urine in their garden as the organic portion of the poo, and the potassium of the urine makes the plants nutritious. This seems to have been healthy trade in feces in Roman times, although human waste were used in a wide variety of ways in the ancient Rome. It's not clear exactly how it was gathered. Also, the Roman the ancient Roman Empire also used urine as a valuable commodity that has many uses from medicine to cleaning to manufacturing. While some of these uses may seem strange or even weird today, it is important to remember that the Romans were skilled and resourceful people who used every resources available to them. One of the most important uses of urine in the ancient Rome was tanning leather. The Romans were famous for their high leather quality, which was used for everything from clothing to military equipment. To produce this leather, animals' hides were soaked in a solution of water and urine. The ammonia in the urine acted as a natural softener, breaking down the protein in the leather and making it more supple. This process was so effective that it was used throughout the Roman Empire and continued into the Middle Age. Another important use of urine in the ancient Rome was the production of wool. Sheep were raised throughout the empire and their wool was highly prized. Also, urine was used in the Roman Empire for medicinal purposes. The Romans believed that urine had medicinal property, and when used, it treats a wide variety of ailments. Interestingly, urine was also used as a cleaning object. It helped remove dirt and bacteria from your teeth and anything when dissolved into.